Okay, so let's take a look at the blood sugar tracker here that I can create in Appsheet. So click create and then click database, click new database. Now this is blood sugar tracker table that I'm going to create. So let's rename the database to say something like simple mydb. Then there is table to create new table. Let me delete the unwanted columns. Now let's create first column with date. So for that I will choose the type date time date, right? I will make this a label so that I can get rid of the previous unused column. Now let's add another one which is time, because we measure the sugar at particular time of the day. So I will also add time. So date time, or you can combinedly used date time in one column, but it's better to use separate because you can take multiple observations on that particular date. Now what you can do is use mgdl as one of the column for that blood, right? Then comes insulin, which is another text column. Then comes activity that you do, which is again text column. Finally notes, right? So we have all the columns needed. Let's remove the table one which we are not using and name this table 2 as blood sugar. Save this. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to import this table within the app so that we can have this tabular structure for data to input through app interface. So I will click on that and let's move here to create button, then app, start with existing data. Here I will use blood sugar app. Here I will be choosing inspection service. Choose your data. In source we use Appsheet database, then database, and then table. Click create app. Now what we can do is let this interface load, right? And now let me change the view to table. I will give the view name blood sugar. I will delete the sort options. Save this and then click desktop. Now click add and then let's add some sample data. Time we can choose current time, mgdl, let's say 8 6, activity moderate walking, right? I will save this and it will appear in a tabular view, right? So like this you can populate the data. You can also add chart that shows particular day insulin value and mgdl sugar value. Like this you can make your blood sugar tracker app within Google App Sheet.